like there are two sides of me, both straight, sit together side by side. Feeling so dull and weak, walking through the black and white reality. I hear the sounds ringing in the silent zone, hiding between the gray light. I don't think I can leave this life, feeling like the days go by, suffering so low that it won't stop. Trapped in this endless loop, every step feels like a deja vu. Lost in the faded day, searching for these colors that never stay. Every sunrise grows up in the sky, every sunset fades to the color gray. Trying to find a light in a world that's so dark, caught between a light and dark, echoes of a silent heart. Dreams that fade before they start, living in this colorless art. Trapped in this endless loop, every step feels like a deja vu. Lost in the faded day, searching for these colors that never stay. Every sunrise grows up in the sky.
Hey, I'm yawning and it's very hard in the morning. Anyway, good morning from Africa. Good morning. How are you doing? I hope everything is just good wherever you're watching this video from. I go by the name Seswan Ochengo. I am a YouTuber born and raised in Africa, Kenya, Nairobi. Yes. So it's another great morning. Hey. And I'm just walking right to the shop to get milk for my wife to prepare breakfast. I just left her. She's at least trying to cook something for the visitors. Yes, so it's another good morning and welcome to our video today. Thank you. Let's go to the shop. Ah, what? Look at that. Achana nayo, sawa. My daughter will always go with me. She didn't realize like I was going to the shop, so she's just coming from behind. Niwa ametupa. Ilikuwa kwa bagi yake. She has a lot of stories. Oh, ya graduation. Sasa unataka nichukue hii? Yeah. Sasa umejua aje nimeenda? Umekimbia mbio. Na ni nini uko nayo kwa mkono?
Chapo.
Ndio chapo. Pia uko unapika chapo. Ndio umeamua kukuja na hiyo chapo yako. Aja kuona. Unamuogopa nini? Unaogopa Shiko? Kwa nini? Akikusuka? So ukisuka unasikia uchungu. Ndio maana unamuogopa. Sawa. Nimeona wenye unamuogopa juu ya hivyo. Kuja tununue maziwa. Maziwa ya mama huyu mwenye yako hapa.
Yes,
Sasa uko very happy. Na mandazi yani katika nyumba. Evans.
If I know your heart still beats for me, would you stay? If I know your dreams are tangled with mine, would you say? If I know your eyes still search for me, would you turn? If I know your whispers call my name, would you yearn? If I know here, would you wait? If I know your soul aches for us, would you stay? If I know you still love me, would we find our way? If I know, would you stay? If I know the nights are cold without me, would you call? If I know your memories hold me tight, would you fall? If I know the silence speaks of us, would you hear? If I know the distance melts away, would you near? If I know your love still lingers here, would you wait? If I know your soul aches for us, would you stay? If I know you still love me, would we find our way? If I know, would you stay? If I know the pain we feel is just a passing storm, could we mend the broken pieces? Could we be reborn? If I know your love still lingers here, would you wait? If I know your soul aches for us, would you stay? If I know you still love me, would we find our way? If I know, would you stay? If I know, would you stay? If I know,